Hello, we are girls with Brynna
and Mackenzie, and today we're going to be showing you how to make marshmallow candy corn people.
The things you will need to make this are parchment paper, marshmallows, white chocolate,
Yellow and orange food coloring, black gel, and bowls. Step 1. Fill up a smaller bowl with white chocolate chips, then microwave it for 45 seconds until melted.
Next, we are going to add food coloring to our melted chocolate. Since we don't have orange, we're going to make our own with red and yellow.
Next, you dip the marshmallow in the orange about a third of the way up and then place it on the parchment paper. After the orange is set up and firm, repeat with the yellow halfway up the orange. After the yellow is set, it's time to make eyes with a tube of black gel. Just like that. We just love this fall treat. We can't wait for you to try it.
Don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos like this one.